And that's a really good segue because the next, I think, big piece that people deal with is the case of love. You know, like, how do people be loved? How do people love each other? How do people love themselves? Right? And a saying I've always been fond of from a long time ago was, if you can't love yourself, you can't love anyone else either. So how can people um, really create power of self love? Like, how do you create self love?
You know, it's a very good topic. How can I love others without loving ourselves? So the more we love ourselves, the more we started spreading the fragrance of love for other as well. Anger, fear, negativity, jealousy happens into our life. Why? Because we are not loving ourselves. So in order to create a fragrance of self-love, the first practice, we should do, we can go for deep breathing exercise in the form of taking huge amount of oxygen, while doing the breathing exercise. And while breathe out, we have to exhale the CO2 gas. This is the normal process. What I'm trying to say, the more we take the oxygenated blood, oxygen inside, it just mix with the blood. And when it mix with the blood, what will happen? Whatever thought of useless thought in terms of hate, jealousy, anger, which is causing, not to love ourselves, it will dissolve all kinds of the hate, jealousy, thought of hate, jealousy, negativity, and we can create more fragrance of self-love. Another part of creating a self-love, like we have to stand in front of the mirror and start appreciating our body parts, like how beautiful my eye look like, how beautiful I am talking, how beautiful I can emit the fragrance and energy of self-love for other.
Mhm.
So as soon as we start appreciating, and accepting each and everything by standing in front of the mirror, what will happen? We can feel more love within ourselves. And this is the right process of creating a self-love. Yeah. Mm.
So if I'm hearing you correctly, and I might not be because I was not sure. So if I'm hearing you correctly, you basically have to focus on yourself, your the how you speak about yourself and how you speak to yourself, and have an appreciation for who you are and what you do and what you care about. Is that
Exactly. Exactly.
okay?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay,
Mhm.
cool.